I love it. Super nice. Worth it. Worth it. Guys, we are going to Airforce Fun in Orlando, Florida. Don't forget to subscribe. Desai, Reluya. Thank you guys for watching. Going in na kami. We'll see what's in here. $35 per person per ride. Minimum 2 persons, maximum of 3 persons. So let's see what's in here.
These are all of our prices are per person. It's a minimum of 2 people, maximum of 3. I do have right now approximately about an hour and a half to hour 45-minute wait list. Okay?
Oh my, 1 hour and a half?
Yeah, it's a lot of people.
4 to 5 minutes approximately.
Yeah, the ride's anywhere from 4 or 5 minutes for $35 per person. It goes over to Universal Studios, Outlets of Adventure, Volcano Bay, and then the longest one is 6.
Oh my goodness.
It's 20-25 minutes, and it's $140 a person.
This is the lounge in here. Ching-ching-ding while waiting. Ching-ching-ding while waiting. Ko, dyan nagtapapark ang ating plane. Helicopter na ating sasakyan. Yan. And 15 minutes, sasakay dyan kami dyan. Yan, my friend lang. Dalawa lang kami. Yahoo!
Doors, you don't need to worry about the doors. We're gonna open and close those for you. But in case of an emergency, you just need to lift the handle and slide it forward. The door will open, okay? There can be no eating, drinking, or smoking inside the aircraft, and cell phones and the camera. You can use your cell phones to take pictures once you are inside the helicopter, and we have closed the doors, okay? I'm gonna ask you to, while we are walking through this ramp and anywhere around the helicopter, please keep your cell phones on your pockets. And this selfie stick cannot go, ma'am. The camera can go, but the stick no.
So guys, we are next. Exciting. So that's the side of the Airforce Fun. So guys, we're next. OMG, that's our helicopter. We are going to Universal Studio and Adventure of Volcano Bay. That's the only... Yeah, I think just Universal because we only have to go to 2. So yan yung sasakyan namin. Helicopter. Yahoo! So guys, that's our Airforce fun flight. It's super duper nice. Thank you so much. Super worth it talaga. Grabe.
Doon
We
kay
went to
una, di ba?
Universal
Doon kay una.
Studios. Sa Harry Potter. We went to
Oh,
Harry
sa Claro.
Potter. We went to the Volcano Bay.
Ano yun sa ilalim?
There's a lot of rides in there. Super duper nice, no? Yeah. Okay, let's go, guys. So, guys, that was the end of our Airforce fun. It's super duper nice. It's super duper fun. You're gonna enjoy. It was my second time with the helicopter, but it's really super fun. So come and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching Desai Reluya.